This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. Now the K20 Pro, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and 8 gigs of RAM. Pocophone F1 has the Snapdragon 845 from last year, 4 gigs of RAM. Both phones are on Android 9 with their latest version of the MIUI interface. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Gonna give the boot up win to the K20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, maybe the K20. Messages, draw, the camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the view finder, and let's go. K20. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. Leave that running in the background. Chrome. Do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Ooh, very close. Ooh, maybe the F1 actually. Ad came up first. We'll go to the bottom on both and check out the desktop version of this site. Ooh, K20 with a comeback. These ads came up first. We'll go to the bottom real quick and then we'll do a pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the F1. Not bad for a phone from last year. Do the same thing on the K20. Nice and fast also. Do it at the same time. Really, no difference. Calculator. Draw. F1 keeping up. Play Store. Ooh, draw again. Where's my favorite? I see it here, TikTok. Do I see my favorite here? I do not, so let's do a quick search. There it is. We'll do that. Install it? Nope, we'll leave it there. Amazon shopping. Very close. Click on this and leave it there. eBay. A little bit faster on the K20. We'll click on this shoe. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. A little bit faster on the K20. Tap to begin. K20 out in front. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Loading first on the K20 Pro, so you can see. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. K20 Pro out in front. And we'll give the win to the Xiaomi K20 Pro on this. F1 is hanging in there though, not too far behind. Asphalt 9. Ooh, K20 out in front. And give the win to the K20 Pro on this. Get rid of this. Don't know what that is. Tap that. PUBG Mobile. K20 Pro out in front. Loading on the K20 and F1. Okay, F1 is falling behind a little bit on this one. So let's see, get rid of this. And the K20 Pro with a considerable victory here on this game. And we'll get rid of all this. Too many prompts. Photoshop Express. Both phones have this pretty cool 8K image. I'm gonna go ahead and click on, let's see, what do we got here? The winter, actually no, summer. It is the summertime, so click on the summer filter. I wanna jack this up all the way. Click on that. And I'm gonna save to gallery. We'll see which phone does this faster, and let's go. A little bit faster on the K20 Pro. Twitter. K20. Instagram, a little bit faster on the left. Snapchat, K20 again. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Love the way how MIUI does the app switching. Pretty cool. So we'll run through these apps again. Keep in mind, F1 has 6 gigs of RAM, K20 has 8, so advantage K20. But let's see if the F1 can keep up. F1 owners out there, are you rooting for the F1 right now? A little bit of a lag on the F1, so you can see. Not too bad though. Paused and ready to resume on both phones on the Temple Run. Mario time on both, that's for show. eBay. F1's hanging in there. Not too bad. Ooh! And no lag on the F1, a little bit of a lag on the K20 Pro. So F1 is fighting back. Oh! Play Store, same place. Calculator, draw, Chrome. Ready to rock on both phones. Clock, still running the stopwatch. The camera, ooh, very close. F1 is hanging in there. Messages, maybe the F1 was faster. Slow down the video for me. And the phone app. Gotta say, I think that was the F1 on the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. And I gotta say, quite impressed with the Pocophone F1 right now, considering the price of this handset with last year's specs, Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. This one has 8. Gotta say, this phone kept up real good. So are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones? Do you have yourself the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro? Did you buy a Pocophone F1 from last year? Do you have the Xiaomi Mi Mix, a Xiaomi Mi 9 or Mi 8? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.